What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chris Glides and Low Rides, and today I'm going to be working on the 23 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3, and I'm going to be adding on some different mirrors. Stand by. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rides. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rides. Stay tuned, because who knows where we're going to go next. So today on the 23 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3, I'm going to be changing out the mirrors right here. These are the factory mirrors, and they work. However, I want to get a larger field of view. So what I'm going to be installing is these mirrors that are located on Amazon. These mirrors are about $57 or $58. They come in flat black, and they also come in chrome. The ones that come in chrome are about $2 more. And to do this install, I'm gonna be using a number 12 deep socket that will be going on be used for the mirrors that I'll be putting on, and for the mirrors that I'll be taking off, I'll be using a regular 1/2" deep socket. So 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So I went on and I started loosening up the mirrors. And one thing to keep in mind when you're tightening these or removing them with these deep sockets, that you may get a little bit of abrasion and scratching on the actual nut themselves. And that's something that can be touched up with like pen paint. Just removing them, I didn't get too many scratches, so it was fine. So you're just gonna remove that one. There were no washers. Oh, there we go. There was a washer in place. I didn't see it. And I'll be reusing these washers again. This kit does come with a set of washers, and I like using what comes off of the bike. So I'll be using the same washer that I removed. And I don't know if this will fit. I'll see if this one actually fits on there and keep everything factory. And I'll check the lengths. Let's go ahead and check the lengths while we have them both off. This mirror, of course, is set up for the left side of the bike. So, but I'm just checking right now. All right, so I'll go ahead and run the hardware that it came with, but I will be using the factory washer. This looks a little bit shorter than the original. So let me get the other one out and unpackage, and then we'll keep going. All right, so I installed this side here. I also put the other side on, but then I ended up taking the mirror off because the way this shape was, I wanted it to go this way, and they had it the other way around to where this was sticking up like this. So I'm sticking up like that, and I like that shape better. And so I just unscrewed it, or not, I'll just use the socket set of 5/16 and unscrewed it from the base. And I'll put this one on this side, and I'll be putting some Loctite on there. And I use the Harley-Davidson 1/2" nut under there with that washer that I showed you just a little while ago, and that's the order I put it on. I'll put one washer up here, and the lock washer and the nut. The Harley-Davidson lock washer with all the rough edges and stars and stuff. I don't know what that kind of washer's called, but it looks like it would secure it a lot tighter. I don't know any torque specs, so I apologize for that in advance. All right, and just like that, the mirrors are installed. I'll be leaving a link for you guys so that you can check out these mirrors if you're interested. Like I said, they were about $58. Got them from Amazon. They come in flat black only, and then they come in chrome. Chrome is actually a few dollars less. All right, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this episode of Chris Glides and Low Rides. I'll see you back again really soon.